Good morning, students. How are you all? I hope you are enjoying the activities in the online classes. Okay, I welcome you in the online teaching. Today we are starting with Unit 1.1. Yesterday we have started the poem A Time to Believe. Okay, and we have completed our first and second stanza in yesterday's session. Correct? I hope you are ready for learning the next two stanzas. So we'll go to stanza number 3. Okay, look at this baby, very cute, no? Okay, so stanza 3's first two lines are to believe is to know, value of nurturing heart. Okay, so we should always believe that who is nurturing our heart means our parents and our teachers, our caretakers, our relatives. We should know their value. Okay, try to understand their value. Don't neglect them. And the innocence of a child's eyes. See this baby, cute baby. Look at the eyes of this baby. So cute and innocent. Yes or no? They don't have any kind of negative thoughts in the mind like hatred, jealousy, anger. Okay? So cute. Almost crystal clear we call, not having thought of any single negative feelings in the heart of that baby. If even tiger comes near it, it will also go with a smiling face towards that baby because the baby is innocent. Okay, as we grow, these different negative feelings start growing in our mind, but when we are small and baby, at that time we are just like this innocent baby. You were also once upon a time innocent baby. But slowly we are losing that innocence. So we should try to believe that the value of this nurturing heart means our parents and relatives are taking care of us. So we should always keep in mind the value of their nurturing in our heart, and at the same time we should try to keep the value of the child's eyes, innocence also. Okay. Next, again, very interesting picture we are watching, and the beauty of an aging hand. Now, what is this aging hand means? You are watching one person is holding the hand of another old person's hand. Correct? That is aging hand. Means aged person. Maybe our grandparents or great grandparents also. Some of you may be having these great grandparents and parents. They are called as aging hand here. Okay, so they are. We should always try to keep in mind the beauty of that aging hand. Okay, it may not be so beautiful, but they have a lot of care and affection for us. For it is through their teachings we have learned to love. Always they say that in your family, the most loving, caring person is your grandparents. They always support you whenever you are getting shouted by your parents, your mother or father, or even by teacher. At that time, your aging parents come near you, they console you, they convince you, they support you, they love you, care you, and they shower their affection on you. Yes or no? Okay. So try to keep the beauty of their teachings always in the heart because they have taught us to love each other. They are loving us exceptionally. Yes, sir? They are without any expectations. So try to keep the importance of the parents, grandparents in your life forever alive. Next, look at the stanza 4. Now we are going. One girl is trying to climb the steep mountain. Let us see now what is in stanza 3. In stanza 3, to believe is to find the strength. You see, this girl is not thinking that I am so small and this tall, huge, steep mountain rock is so tall and strong. How can I climb it? The girl is ready to climb. Okay, she has all the positive energy and enthusiasm in her mind, and she is ready to believe in herself that I have power, I have strength to fight against this. Okay, so to believe is to find the strength and courage that lies within us. So where is the courage and where is the strength? It is inside us. It's not somewhere in the market or in the mall that you should give money and purchase the courage and strength. It is in our mind itself. Okay, so anything whenever you want to achieve, we require courage and strength. Strength means power of mind. This power of mind is there within our mind itself. So we have to create and develop and take it out and utilize it for achieving whatever you wish to do or to achieve any kind of success in your life. Understand? So these mountain climbers, they are daredevils. They have a lot of power, mind power we can call it, and because of that they are able to climb this much steep slope. You can watch it once again in the picture how difficult it is to look also at that girl, but that girl is ready. She is not thinking, not a single negative thought in her mind. She is ready to climb, and she is surely going to climb that mountain because she has taken out the strength and courage from her mind. Another two lines, when it is time to pick up the pieces and begin again. See, this baby is playing with small blocks. We also might have played in our childhood, and when this baby sometimes creates block one upon each other and creates a small building, again he dismantles it, again he collects the pieces and once again begins, because the child is innocent. Okay, it's enthusiastic, energetic. It is not thinking that my first pyramid is broken, first building is broken, so I will stop it. Okay, once again he collects everything and begin. It means we should believe in ourselves that though I have not got success one time, second time, 5 times, 10 times, but I will try. I will not give up. You may be knowing the example of Abraham Lincoln, the President of America. Till the age of 51, he was getting unsuccessful in his life. Can you believe? Till the age of 51, unsuccessful. He lost assemblies election, he lost municipal councils election, he lost vice president's election, he became bankrupt in the business, he lost his wife. Still too, he did not give up. He began again and again and again, and at the age of 51, he became President of USA, President of America. Understand? So when you don't give up, surely you get success. Maybe the Almighty is taking our exam or test, how much courage and we have continuity in our efforts. And because of that, we can get success. So this stanza 4 is telling us that we should be always consistent in our efforts, though we get broken by heart sometimes, but don't give up. Okay, one or the other day we are going to become successful. Very interesting lines from stanza 4. So we are going to continue this poem, A Time to Believe. In tomorrow's session also, we have just completed only 4 stanzas. Today 2 stanzas and yesterday 2 stanzas. So we'll be continuing in the next session. Till that, keep learning. Okay, God bless you. Thank you, children.